Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini market recap for Thursday the 28th of February, last day in February, and today we opened basically in line, came down, shot up pretty high, and then turned over and eventually did find a low and bought up and basically closed the 12 o'clock first trading session sideways. Today we had 4 trades and we took 13.75 points out of the market. Very nice day. And let's talk about our trades. We did take a short close to the open, and we got short and rode it down a little bit, taking profit. And then over here we got long and rode it up a little bit, taking profit. Yeah, profit was here and here. Then we kind of watched the market move around. We did get short down here, and we rode it a little bit down, taking some profit. And then we kind of just watched what the market wanted to do here. And we did get long up here, and we took profit on the way up. So that's basically what happened. 4 quick trades and some good profit. So we ended February with a bang. Very nice. And I've been talking about the last few sessions. It just shows that it doesn't really matter if you take a win or if you take a loss, as long as you keep the losses small. Everything will work out. And February was a month where you really didn't have a lot of movement, and the movement that you had was a little it kind of moved, but the way I was seeing it, kind of like hit itself, and it looked like it was going to move differently. And we did keep the losses as small as possible. So when you do have your big days, it just totally dwarfs the losses and it turns into a win. And it's definitely been very good, and definitely excited that we're able to do that. And when I come into the day, I'm looking for trades. Is basically all that I'm looking at. It doesn't matter if I make 50 points, or if I lose 4 points, or if I make 5 points, or if I just make 1 point. It really doesn't matter to me. I would rather make the 50 points, of course, but that's not my goal. My goal is to find a good trade with a good setup and take it. And I trust that my style, it's going to work out over the course of a week or a month or a quarter. And I think this month we did have a losing week. I'd have to look at the stats to make sure. I don't keep the numbers in my head, and the reason is because why would I keep the numbers in my head? If I had a 50-point week, it would just add to an ego, and the ego is something you don't need in trading. If I lost 50 points, and that would just be horrible, and that just would send negative thoughts to me over and over again. So I don't really remember the numbers. It doesn't really matter to me. Now I'll look at it when I'm not trading, just to go over everything, because that's what a smart person does. You prepare, and you keep learning, keep tweaking things, and as you progress, like me at the moment I'm at right now, I don't really tweak my system. Like, I will look at different things, but my setup and style is what it is, and it works very well. So why would I mess with it? If I have 1 loss, okay, that's all good. It doesn't mean I need to change anything. No, if I lose 100 points in a day, then there is something very badly wrong, and I would need to look at something. But that doesn't happen to me. like let's say for example the flash crash. If that did happen on a day like that, it could be a lot of slippage. And I know a lot of people did get slipped that day, and it was definitely unfortunate. Uh, I was lucky and I was short, which was very nice. But anyway, that's a whole nother story, and it doesn't even really matter. It doesn't come into what I'm trying to talk about today. So, uh, but I just wanted to talk about that a little bit. Hopefully, you got something out of what I was talking about. You can always leave a comment under the video if you want, or email me directly, whichever. It doesn't really matter to me. Most people like to email me. I guess staying incognito is what everybody wants to do, and it's all good to me. As long as you ask the question, I'm happy. There's no such thing as a dumb question. There's only the one that hasn't been asked. So if you have a question, definitely ask it. So with that, have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.